epic moment right here.
You ready?
Wait, hold on.
Get out of your mower.
Don't mess up all the snow.
Get
Oh wait, I'm not
set.
going.
Go!
Woo! I didn't even... Daddy, look at your face. Oh my God. Look at these two nerds. Can't even get up. Taylor, throw him. He can't get up. Get up. Pull back. Get him.
Oh my God, I can't get up.
Come on, Taylor. Oh, she's going. She's going. Hold on, Taylor.
Watch out.
Wow, she was scared at first.
Do it again, Mr. David.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Daddy! Oh my God! Daddy! No. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's time to come back inside now. Okay.
Do it again.
Yeah, this is not fun at all no more. His face went first. Now when you get frostbite,
I'm done.
hypothermia or something.
One more time. Like, make sure my face is in the snow.
Your face is in the stove. 1, 2,